Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a place from your favorites in Google Maps. This is particularly useful when you want to clean up your saved locations or simply no longer need quick access to certain places you've previously marked as favorites. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all your mapping features and saved locations. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a menu with several options. Look for and click on the option labeled Saved. This section is where Google Maps stores all the places you've bookmarked, organized into various lists for easy access and management. After clicking Saved, you'll be presented with all your lists. These lists help you categorize different locations you've saved over time, whether they're restaurants, hotels, or any other points of interest you've marked for future reference. From the lists displayed, locate and click on Favorites. This is the specific list where Google Maps automatically saves locations you've marked with a star or designated as favorites. Opening this list will show you all the places you've tagged as important or frequently visited. Now it's time to find the specific place you want to remove from your favorites. Scroll through the list until you locate the entry you no longer wish to keep saved. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the right location, especially if you have many saved places. Once you've found the place you want to remove, hover your mouse over that entry. When you do this, a delete icon will appear, typically represented by a trash can or an X symbol. This icon only becomes visible when you hover over the entry, so make sure your cursor is positioned directly on the place name. Click the delete icon to remove the place from your favorites list. The location will be immediately removed from your saved favorites, though it will still exist on Google Maps if you ever need to search for it again in the future. And that's it. You've successfully removed a place from your favorites in Google Maps, keeping your saved locations organized and relevant to your current needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.